Actually, I'm gonna leave it like that right there. Pull up all this real quick. Put some good music on. Let's pull this up real quick. My bad, Jets. Ladies and Jets. Pulling up everything real quick on this monitor. I got a third monitor now. You see the second one's right here. First one's right here. This is the third one right now. I'm currently just, I have everything on it, like Discord, Spotify, OBS, my stream. So yeah, that's all really I'm using it for. It's not loading anything. So we're just gonna go to the main channel one. Alright. Seems cool. Seems cool. Alright, this will be more of a crypto charting session, not really FX or anything. I'm only gonna be here for like an hour or two, because I gotta go back test and I'm gonna review crypto real quick. So I'm gonna go start off on Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna work my way down. So I haven't really been paying attention too much to crypto, if I'm being truly honest right now. But I was at one point. I was alerting the Discord, about crypto trades I was taking. I was alerting them. So I'm gonna pull that up for you guys. The bias. I haven't really been too much into crypto as of recently, but you can see here we had our Bitcoin analysis, pulled it up, and then it led up to this one, 822. Basically, somewhat no, not right there, over here, right there. It just led up to trading it eventually. So right now all I've been really been focused on is back testing. I haven't really been taking any trades or reviewing any single trades for the live trades I've taken for right now. Where's my phone? There's my phone right. I forgot I was freaking charging my phone. See all the books over here? This is my setup. This is where I usually read my books. And current book, I'm gonna give you guys an update. This one right here, 5 Levels of Leadership. It's the current book I'm reading. Very, very good book. This is one of them that was in Luke Belmar's top 11 or top 12 books to read. So I bought it back then, or like a year ago. So now I'm actually catching up reading it on my monk mode. That's the beauty about monk mode. You actually start actually doing the tasks that you need to do. But let's get into the trades, or the market, I mean. Right there. Currently on day 22 too. I did say only one live stream, but I'm gonna do a quick charting, because I just know I won't chart crypto unless I'm streaming or if I'm just done back testing. But I'd rather do it right now, so let's just do that right now. So let's start off on the monthly. Usually I always start off on the high time frame no matter what. And you can see in the monthly here we have monthly CRT. If we don't close in the next 2 days above this black line, I'm gonna take it off. But if we do close, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna aim for the 50%. Again, pretty simple. Same thing with the weekly. We had it form. We had this weekly so, and I don't know if we have SMT there. I'm going to pull this up real quick. I'm going to create a new layout. SMT, BTC, SMT with Ethereum. So let's see. Come on, you're gonna move. Crosshair, data range. Okay, let's see. Take off the volume. Why is volume on here, man? Come on. Alright, let's look. So there's no SMT right now on the weekly. On the daily. Why is Ethereum so zoomed out? Oh, they're not on the same time frame. There. That's not the same interval there. There. Okay, so we go to the daily. On the daily, there isn't really an SMT. Let me pull that up for you guys so you can see. So on the daily, there isn't really any SMT. On Bitcoin now, you can see that they're pretty much the same. Let's go to the again on the weekly. We don't really have much here. These lows were also taken out. It's just the thing that these weren't closed below, while this one was. So that's the kind of the bizarre part that you want to be focusing on. That shows ETH is a lot more bearish than Bitcoin, of course, because Bitcoin is always dominant whenever it's in the bull run. And then This one really didn't form a balanced price range like this one right here. And you can see pretty much, where's it, this low? Yeah, you can see they're pretty much lower lows. We go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can see this right here. We had made it a lower low, while this one made a higher high. So on the 4-hour, you can see again, this one did, Bitcoin did look a lot weaker than Ethereum. Ethereum is catching up a lot more smoothly, but we just have more downside movement. You can see that right there, compared to, let's just measure the high to the low. That was around 15%. If we measure the high, that's the high, right? Or is it this one? I'm gonna just say it was this one right here. To the low, this was 10%. So 15 minus 10, you know, of course, you can see one just a lot more bearish than the other. And I'm gonna name this layout BTC slash ETH there. We'll join. I'm only gonna keep it really for those. I do have my other ones, which is our like S&P, Euro. I'm watching those right now, but I'm gonna mainly focus on crypto again. Yo, my guy, what's up, my boy? Examino. I just barely saw that. Not bad. Sorry if I didn't read it fast enough, bro. The setup's a little scuffed. I won't lie. A little scuffed. I'm still trying to get used to it. I do have too many charts. I'm not gonna lie, so it's pretty scuffy. So yeah, on the weekly again. To me, I do seem kind of more bullish rather than bearish because we closed above. We hit the 50%. Now we're bouncing off, which is pretty normal. Pretty ideal, honestly. Again, it's the month of August is usually not the best month to be trading. You would want to be trading something else. Something more, like during the fall, I would recommend September. Usually November has really good movement. October also. And then during the spring, you know, April has really good movement. So does February. February and April are usually my best months. It's kind of what I've noticed. Same thing with September. September usually is one of my best months. So I can't wait for it to come. Hopefully we'll be trading. You know, I'm going to be trading really well. All right. So here we swept the low. You see that we swept this low right here. I'm going to put it on the daily. That's the thing. We swept the low. We created a market maker model. And then we came all the way back down. So whenever you see that, you just don't want to be simply on, you know, one side of the market. You want to be sidelines. You want to be waiting for something more clear to form to then have a bias, because if you're trading this right here, you're going to be getting stopped out. You're not really going to have a clear direction on the higher time frame. Of course, if you're scalping, that's different, but if you're swing trading this, you don't want to be holding, in my opinion. You trade Forex. I do trade Forex. That's what this other chart over here is for. This right here. This is trading Forex. This all the markets I trade over here. This is like more of my higher time frame chart with SMT. Because I like having the higher time from here, because I just like having it, the daily and then the weekly. Again, I'm looking at the weekly profile whenever I'm looking at this chart, and on the main one right here, on the other one right here, I'm looking at just like everything in general. You know, I try to have my higher time frame and then the SMTs. I think it's very important. You know, having cracking correlations, having all that, and you know, it's very, very important. And then I just have my higher time frame chart here loaded up. Whenever I'm watching the market, I just like watching the market from like a higher time frame perspective. And like just reassuring myself whenever I'm on the lower time frame, what I'm looking for and what I should be looking for, and what type of trades I should be taking and what type of setups should be forming. I think that's very, very important. Crypto, I do trade for crypto also, but I haven't really been trading it as much. I've been more focused on passing the prop firm, getting funded, becoming profitable, and all that. Since it's like you can scale your capital a lot more quickly with prop firm, so that's kind of why I've been focusing on it. But as of right now, I've just been back testing, reviewing my strategy, and that's really it. It's been going really well. For some models, like some strategies are really, really well, and then some just aren't. So I'm gonna have to review after I'm done back testing, probably today and tomorrow. I'll probably finish back testing tomorrow. What is today? Thursday. Tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, I'll probably finish model 7 tomorrow, and then I'll probably review the rest of the trades of the weekend. And yeah, in crypto, hold on, let me see. In crypto, what you think? Which coin has the most potential? See, that's the thing. I don't know which ones are going to move. It's really just about narrative. You know, the TON, I remember watching TON back then. It was at $3, then it moved to 7. That was really, really good because of just the community and the network. You just really have to be there with the narrative. But all the time, you know, the main markets that are going to move is crypto, ETH, Sol. And then until that cycle is done for like Bitcoin and it moves to Ethereum, and then the other cycle comes from, you know, Ethereum goes to like L1s, L2s. Those are the coins you're going to want to catch that have a lot of potential, bro. So just waiting for like the Bitcoin to be over with. Like total 3, total 1, and all that, you know, waiting for this, And then ETH BTC, you know, when ETH BTC is going up, that means what? Ethereum is going to be stronger than Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin's bull run's ending. Phase 2, you know, the crypto bull run of Ethereum being the strongest is coming in, and then you can buy some ETH if you want, and then if not, probably just waiting for the altcoins to start moving, and then after that the meme coins, if you want to catch a couple memes. But again, it just really depends on narrative, what's hot on Twitter right now. You know, crypto Twitter is a really good area to find some of the good best moving coins before they even move. So you're gonna want to be in tune with a lot of people that are just high up there, you know. So it's very important, you know, having that good networking connection of you know, what projects are gonna start moving and which ones aren't. So I think that's very important, you know. But right now, all I'm just focusing on is stable coins, the main coins, BTC, ETH, Sol, and that's really it. You know, I'm not really trying to focus on too much, because then once you have too much on your plate, you're not really focused. You know, you're trying to catch too many moves on too many different markets, and it just doesn't work out. So that's kind of why I'm trying to limit my watch list right now, because you can have like 1,000 coins, bro, I swear, and they're all gonna move the same in my opinion. Once we go over like majority of these coins, you're gonna see how much similar they move to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it's very, very important. All right, so on the 4 hour, so we swept again. We have a bullish order block here. We have this order block, and again, this looks like a market maker buy model forming, but we just don't know until we get above that daily PDRA. That's kind of the reason why I'm just like sidelines. I'm gonna be waiting until we get above this, and then I'm gonna be like, all right, hold on. We kind of look a little bit more bullish. You see, we consolidated so much right around here. You see that? Consolidated, and then we started to move. We manipulated. I don't want this to be the distribution down lower, because I just don't see us being bearish right now, honestly. I feel like we can manipulate a little bit more, like lower, and then eventually start moving higher. But I feel like this should be the bottom right now. This should be the bottom, especially with how much it manipulated down here. You can see that. I think that should be the bottom. Who let you cook, bro? I'm 15, bro, trying to make it young, bro. You're so young. You got this. I remember when I was like 15, bro. I was like barely like a freshman, I think, and I was playing video games all day, bro. I promise you, bro. If you're already into like trading and crypto and stuff, bro, by the time you're like my age, like 19, 18, you're gonna be successful. I promise you. I wish I started earlier too. You know, that's the thing. Sometimes you have regrets, and that's kind of one of my regrets. But not really though, because it led me to here. You know, every action, every step in your life leads you to a certain point, and it just led me here. You know. I've been doing YouTube, bro. That's good. I like that. I like content creation. I've been doing content creation for a while. I was in middle school making vlogs, I remember. Made my first 100 when I was 10. That's crazy. That's crazy. From like online. If it's online, that's crazy. If it's in person, you know, I can understand, relate. But if it's online money, that's crazy. For the Wi-Fi money, that's crazy. Oh yeah, we don't really have much here, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I think we do have daily CRT, so I'm gonna be watching see that form. I want to see how we react to the 50%. And that'll be pretty much really it for Bitcoin. Watching to see if we respect this balanced price range and go higher. And let's go to the 1 hour. I think we have standard deviations here. No, not really. It doesn't look too clean, but I'm going to just put it on there. So let's see if it goes up there. Again, I'm going to be charting. I'm not really trading this. So I will be just tape reading throughout the days. Nah, from YouTube, bro? That's crazy. That is crazy. At a young age, 10, bro, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm just going to be watching to see if we reach the CRT high and we disrespect the balanced price range. That's pretty much really it. I won't be trading, not right now, until I have a clear bias, because right now we're sidelines. We're back and forth, creating balanced price ranges. I don't like that. So yeah, let's go back up to the monthly for ETH. So for ETH, think about ETH. Let me change the song. Change the song, bro. There. All right, from ETH, we're below this right here, the fair value gap, the bullish fair value gap. I want to see how we close in the next 2 days. If we close below it, I will kind of be more sidelines on this one. I will be more bearish because we're closing below the fair value gap. Now, I don't think we should. And then we're going to be creating a bearish order block here. It would be worse if we had the high swept up here like that and we created a breaker. That would be worse. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't close below. Hopefully we're able to get above, you know, get above and close inside of somewhere in this fair value gap. Because I just don't want to see ETH be this weak. You know, ETH being weak like this, it makes me hurt my heart. You know, hurts my heart. I don't think it should be this weak. I don't understand why. Right now is the weakest out of the three. So Bitcoin and then Solana are just like the strongest, and ETH is the weakest right now. Your technical analysis are great, man. Hope we all make it fast. May God bless you, bro. Appreciate it, bro. For real. You just gotta put in that work, bro. Like, you really have to put in that work. You know, it takes months of dedication and hard work, you know, and sleepless nights. I'm being for real, you know, you gotta have sleepless nights. Let's go. Did I move something? Okay, yeah. Daily time frame, we swept. Not even sweep, it's more of a break of market structure here. We're gonna mark that out right now. Then we have a high up here we can reach for, and on the daily we have this right here, but I'm gonna take it off since we have the weekly one already. So I'm gonna watch to see if we hold inside of this fair value gap, and if not, then of course reach back up into this one, the balanced price range. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching to see this. If you go to like the 2-day, you can have one chart, one fair value gap, but I'd rather just leave it on the daily. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to be on the 2-day watching the 2-day chart, but probably somewhere similar to Bitcoin, very, very similar. You can see that we're now moving up. We don't have a breaker forming, so the S&P at the lows right there. And yeah, it just seems like a market maker bond model. I'd rather be patient. Again, I'm watching this on the daily. I'm being patient. I'm waiting for something clear to form. We have a break of market structure. If we close, you know, above this high, which is what I'm kind of wanting, in the next couple of days, 2 days, we're gonna form a bullish breaker, and that forms a standard deviation targets to reach up the way up here, and then eventually all the way up here. You know, so again, this is all hypothetical. So if it does reach up there, then that is what I'm going to be watching, targeting those highs. Market maker buy model here forming. Higher time frame one, of course, catching, you know, the retracements whenever we're moving up higher. These little small retracements, because it's not going to just spiral all the way up. But yeah, that's pretty much really it. Nothing really much on the weekly that I can see differently. On the monthly either. I would have wanted monthly CRT to form, but it just never happened. So that's pretty unfortunate. I wanted us to close inside of there. Same thing with weekly. This one didn't have weekly CRT, and that's kind of why I just didn't know if it was going to move or not, while Bitcoin did. So that's kind of why we knew Bitcoin was going to move. Let's go to the monthly here. Let's go to Solana. Solana is one of my coins where I'm just favoring really good. Let's keep this right here. So let's mark this out. Take this off on those time frames. Don't usually like having it on the higher time frames. Luke Belmar. I'm working on a crypto channel. Is this a good idea? Luke Belmar, man. Alright, so on the weekly, again, we have weekly CRT, and this is kind of how we knew the market was going to move higher on this one. So we do have this, but I'm going to take it off because it's kind of pointless right now. Bitcoin ran right through it. There's no point of having it anymore. It's trying to keep my chart clean, you know, seeing what's happening right now on the right side of the chart, not the left side. You know, if this PDA rays are getting ran through back and forth, I'm not going to be trying to trade those. On the daily, again, we have this bearish balanced price range. And we do have our high up here, which is our external objective, the external buy side liquidity. Looks really, really nice. Seeing if we can probably reach up there and then probably start to. That's of course if we are able to make this inverse, reach up here for sure, and then probably the CRT high on the weekly. But again, this takes weeks, months, sometimes months. These are daily candles, bro, and 6 months at times to just print and go higher. But again, if you have confirmation, you can swing trade from point A to point B, as Omar would say. So if you make this inverse retrace, this could be your point A, and then eventually if you catch a retracement, you can enter again, target point B or something this high up here. But that's going to take months, if not weeks. So yeah, pretty much. Again, on the 4 hour, it just doesn't look as clean. The daily looks clean. The 4 hour, the 1 hour don't really look as clean to be trading right now, especially with how the confluences are forming. Yeah, I just don't really be paying too much attention to this as of right now, because we're just not really moving as much. You know, we're not really moving on the daily as much and covering as much space as I would want. Let's put this right there. So yeah, if we go up here, the 1 hour, you can see just very, very sloppy delivery, especially with how these candles were printing. These not really too bad, but again, we just don't really have a daily or weekly confluence yet being tapped up into. You know, you can look for shorts here. You know, if we tap up into this and we're looking a little bit more bearish than usual, you can look for shorts. I'm not saying strictly bias is being bullish. You know, that's the thing. Weekly hit this. That's all I was waiting for. I knew we were bullish right there, and then I was sidelines after we hit the 50% on Bitcoin. Right then and there, I'm sidelines. It can be bullish, it could be bearish, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, when I was watching the market before, you know, the third candle came or the fourth candle, I knew we were going to be bullish to reach the 50%, and that's what happened. Yo, bro, can you do me a favor? Pull up the near USD chart and guide where it's going next. I have near. It's gonna be soon. Let's just go to it though. Sui is one of those one I was watching right now. I'm not even gonna lie. That's one of my favorites, Sui. I'll go over it after that. I'm gonna just go over the ones I actually like trading or the ones I'm actually watching. So for the monthly, again, we bounced off of this monthly order block. The first time we actually tapped up into it, other than right here. If we again, I feel like we are gonna be able to close below. I mean above. If we close above this black line, I'm bullish. I see this eventually reaching the 50% here, for sure. Monthly CRT, so I'm gonna have it marked out. Hey, still calling me daddy. In a black truck, it's a caddy. Let's go to the weekly. The weekly, we do have this sell side imbalance, but we already wicked above it. This candle looks super bullish. I won't even lie to you. That I can see us probably making it inverse, and this is gonna be your breaker forming. This is kind of what I was watching on Bitcoin too. You know, it's just saying this. These all move the same. Targeting something like this, you're gonna reach like that. You know, if we actually close above here, this fair value gap, retrace, reach for the breaker, retrace, go up higher, chop around for a little bit, and we can start moving higher. This is kind of what I see. It's like it's clear, bro. It's clear. You just don't know when this is gonna happen. If it does happen, that's the thing. You know, if we close above the you know, the sell sign imbalance on the weekly, and we make it inverse, we retrace, we respect it, and we form, you know, some form of bullish breaker, use the standard deviations, your first target should be all the way up here. This high should be your first target, of course, but if you want to leave runners after that, it could be $9. You know, so have 4. This could be like double your portfolio right there and there. Say you enter at the fair value gap, it's like double, 96%. This is 76, which is not bad at all, you know. So yeah, this is kind of what I'm watching. That's on the weekly though. On the daily, we are looking a little bit more bearish, of course. We have the bearish balance price range, so if we are unable to get above that, then of course that won't happen on the weekly. You know, because the weekly we're still maintaining our form inside of the weekly SIBI. So if we're unable to get above here on the daily, then of course the weekly isn't going to do the thing where we're bullish, we're making inverse. It's going to hit $20 soon, maybe, because it's a stable coin. That's the thing. People, bro, I swear, people on XRP, they be going crazy. They be like, it's gonna hit like $10, and it never did, bro. I swear. You really should be more you should be like more careful about what you listen to online, especially certain people, you know, like on TikTok or whatever. They would just be yapping and saying it's gonna hit like $10, 100 XRP going to $100, bro. Blah blah blah. It just never happened. Even after the lawsuit, they're saying after the lawsuit is gonna hit $100, bro. It's gonna hit $100, and it just never moved. So you have to be just very careful. I just knew it wasn't gonna. I knew it was gonna move a couple of points, not to like $1 minimum. XRP is ass. It's cap. That's what I'm saying. So you have to be careful too. You know, not expecting too much. $20, is it reasonable here? Especially this cycle, we do not know. We have to wait really for Bitcoin to see if it's gonna move. That's the thing. That's the thing. You know, like $20 is all the way up here. At minimum, I would just watch at least 15 around 16, 15 to 16. That's a minimum target, you know. $20 though, I just can't right now comprehend it. Of course, maybe later whenever we start moving higher, we're showing, you know, bullish signatures, start having other standard deviations to form, then of course, you know, may have a target for 20, might target 20. But as of right now, this is just what I have, you know, is going to be the 11 to 9 target. Of course, if we make this inverse, we form a breaker, then that's reasonable. If it doesn't happen, then it's not reasonable. And yeah, 16 to 17 around those targets right there, something around there. But again, it all has to happen on the daily. If we don't form this on the daily, we don't make this inverse, because this is only one fair value gap. It looks very clean, I won't lie. If we don't make this inverse, then I just won't see that happening. I just can't see that happening. If we respect it, I mean, we just go lower. You know, we're targeting this low maybe. This low right here. Right here, this one. So yeah, it does look like a market maker sell model here, but usually market maker models don't, they usually get disrespected at 50%. So if we don't want to respect it, the market maker sell model, we usually reverse at 50% or somewhere near a discount to form, you know, bullish prices, of course. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour really, again, the 4 hour just doesn't look clean at all. That's why I'm just waiting for the daily. And again, it's during the month of August. During the month of August, you don't really want to be trading. A lot of people usually during the summer months, they usually go on vacation. do whatever they want, and then they come back for the fall, and then of course the spring, and then during I think the last week of December and then the first week of January, they're on, of course, on break still, because those 2 weeks aren't the best. I back tested those weeks. They're not the best. I promise you. Don't want to be taking trades or scalping during those type of environments. Like the first week of January and then the last week of December. You just don't want to be trading, even the second to last week of December. Sometimes you just don't want to be holding any trades or just trying to, take any trades, and that's kind of just the reason why it's, again, not really many investors or just not really many hedge funds are in the market at that time. Just not enough liquidity in the market being generated during those times, and it's very very dry. So I don't know if you like trading dry, but I just don't. I like having volume. So yeah, just really see, again, if we don't close above here, the weekly SIBI, we're still bearish, and on the daily too. If we don't close above, we're still bearish. And this didn't look bad also here, but just never really formed a breaker. So if we did form a breaker, then that wouldn't be bad. That wouldn't be bad. We do have a bullish order block here though, so it is holding that. So you can see that could be a little confluence. So it pushes above the sell side imbalance or the balance price range, the bearish balance price range there. So yeah, not really bad. Already met the first target, and the candles bodies didn't close inside of like near the 50% of this. So that just goes to show why we reversed a little bit. Then the second target would have to been this, and then we're probably gonna form a new one if we are bullish. If we start moving higher, we're gonna form a new one here. So all these down close candles, you can probably use them as standard deviations to then target higher prices. So that's pretty much really it on near. I want to go to the SUI. So this is one I was watching, and I was telling the Discord, but it just didn't live up to the hype that I wanted it to. So we're gonna start off on the monthly. On the monthly, again, we have that inversion right there, that Reaper little fair value gap right here, and then we have another inversion here. But I'm not really paying too much attention to that. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly, this is the thing. We have a weekly bullish breaker here with a small fair value gap, a small little one. I don't have it marked out because look how small it is. Very small. Don't like using small fair value gaps. But I was just expecting speed, honestly. As soon as we formed the breaker and we retrace into this daily fair value gap, I expected speed, especially into this one right here. I was expecting speed. I was expecting the market to move up. With this right here, it just never really happened. That's kind of it was a little bit disappointing. But it's, again, the other markets are moving. When the other markets are moving, you want to be paying attention to them. Again, the cycle right now is just Bitcoin, Ethereum. These stable coins are not going to move until those are done moving. So you have to be just very careful or very patient. Can't be expecting too much, but if it does happen, then it happens. You have to be ready, prepared for that. And that's pretty much really it. The breaker gave me a lot of more confirmation that we are going to be bullish, and that's kind of why I was like just expecting clear longs with speed and delivery, but it just never really happened. So I'm just going to have to be a little bit more patient next time. So yeah, we're inside of the bullish inversion. The bullish fair value gap inside of the BISI still. We have this bearish balance price range. I want to see if we can get above it. We are going to form a breaker if we are able to get above and close above the high up here. Take out the buy side liquidity up there, and then at that point I do see us reaching up here, the weekly objective. So we don't really have any weekly CRT. That's the thing. I'm gonna go over it one more time. So we have 3 days to close. I probably will review this more on the weekend, but we did form to sweep that low. If we close, inside of above the black line right here, the low, then of course I'll be aiming for the 50%. If not, then the high up there. Seeing the market reverse quickly with speed since we have taken out the low. That's the thing too. Since we formed weekly CRT, you would want to see the market retrace down lower since we did close below the high. But then we had the next candle form and we closed above. So that's kind of another reason why I was just expecting higher prices. Promote your content, man. Make reels on God, on IG. That's the thing. I'm not profitable, so I don't think people would really watch until you're profitable. So that's kind of my goal I'm aiming for right now. And that's why I'm just backtesting still. Probably for this last week, I'll probably finish backtesting. Because again, I don't want to be trading during the month of August. I'd rather wait for September. The first week NFP, of course, waiting for all that. And then probably start actually trying to scale the prop firm. If you go to my old content, I was having some success on phase 1. Phase 2, just mindset, and then just getting greedy and like taking bad setups and not having really a good system. and we didn't backtest back then either. So now, we backtested our model or our system, and then we upgraded it by implementing CRT, and then eventually now, we're having version 2, very, very good success. And yeah, just now need to finish backtesting system 2, all the models, and then eventually start going and actually live trading. So that's pretty much really it. And then actually being dedicated when we're live trading. I feel like live trading sometimes I just don't half-ass it. Like the days before, I should be charting, should be reviewing the market as much as possible. And that's kind of why I just decided to get a third monitor, because I just knew if I'm going to be doing the Discord, Telegram updates and all that, I need a third monitor, focusing all right here on this one, and then these two, strictly trading, watching the market as much as possible. Because of course I'm not, in front of the desk all day, have other stuff to do. And yeah, make yourself a brand, bro. You just sell a course for a side hustle. You got a group. I got a Discord, but I only have one person in there. That's like actually a part of my group. But we don't really talk as much, since he is more of a, he does not really trade as much. He does agency. He does social media marketing agencies. And then what else does he have? I think that's it. He does social media marketing agencies. I joined, bro. You got a link? I think it should be in the description. I'm gonna check real quick, see if it's in the description. Yeah, I think it should be in the description. I don't know if it's still working. Yeah, it's still working. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. I'll promote you, bro. I usually have my section right here, my section, the trading bias and the trades, so you can see like the trades I've taken on like the little 5K experiment account, and then some crypto trades, and then my bias for certain markets I'm watching, because I won't be streaming every day. I don't stream every day, and sometimes I make Telegram updates, but majority of the time I'm usually in the Discord giving out my bias for certain markets, so you can like see my analysis. But yeah, that's pretty much really it on Sui. Again, same thing really. Again, majority of these markets moving the same. You want to see this move, boom, boom. If we're bullish, if we're bearish, you want to see this, boom, boom. Simple as that. It's really just, again, waiting to see what happens. Same thing with Near, Ondo, I think one of them on Ondo I was really watching, paying attention heavy to. So we are going to form a sell side imbalance on Ondo on the monthly. If we close right then and there. On the weekly time frame, we have weekly CRT, and we're still yet to meet the 50%. So again, I see this being met very, very soon. I don't know when, but I think it will be met very, very soon. That's all I'm gonna say. So the bulls here, of course, for sure. Let's go to the daily. And again, this one has been moving a lot more sloppy, a lot less volume weakness, I should say. And we have two of these. That's the thing. We have two fair value gaps right there. Let's go to the 2 day. We probably only has one. Something like this on the 2 days. I'm gonna just leave it though on the daily. Something like this. Something like that. I'm gonna mark out my external objective. On the daily right here. Boom, boom, boom. Copy and paste. Dum, 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 dum. I probably won't go down to the 4 hour as much on the other markets, because they just don't move the way I want them to move. See if we can get an inversion here on the 4 hour. They just don't move. We have a breaker there too. You see this right here? We swept this low. Dun, 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 dun. Go to the 1 hour. You can probably see it. See, I just don't like how these breakers form though. That's the thing. Just take it off. I'm gonna just put it like this. I'm gonna just name it an order block. 4 hour order block. So we kind of look bullish here on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame, like the daily. On the weekly, we do look bullish, but on the daily, it's just not the good delivery that you would want. Even though it does look like a market maker buy model, I just don't trust it yet until we have a clear confirmation above the daily SIBI. And it doesn't even have to be the second one. It can be the first one. It can be this one right here. So we're going to have just this one marked out. It doesn't have to be this one. I just want to see clear confirmation that we are above it. And then we start reaching higher prices. Dun, dun. Oh, you did join the Discord. Your Hazma, is that you? Or Hamza. Dun, dun. You see, like I was charting over here on this one. Even on this one, see, I was really watching the market back then. Then like the freaking second, third week of August. Not too much now. It's kind of why I'm charting. I've been rusty. I'm not gonna lie. All right, bullish BPR there. BPR holding. Weekly SIBI holding. Breaking market structure showing clear bearish intent. On the daily time frame, again breaking market structure, showing bearish signs, bearish signature here in price. Daily breaking market structure. What do we also have here? We have inversion, but where can we narrow it down to? Prior to this right here, something like this. Bearish BPR. We have multiple fair value upside. That's the thing I do not like about this daily time frame. You go to like the 3-day. You only have one fair value gap forming, and that's in 1 day. If you have the 2-day, it's forming right now, 1 day. So I'd rather just stay away from this market. External objective right here. Same thing with this high up here. This is external objective now, and that's really it. You know, it's clear. I followed you on Twitter and joined the Discord. Like, you from the UK? I'm not from the UK. I'm from the USA. You follow me on Twitter? Why? But I'm not gonna lie, I don't really use Twitter. I'm gonna go on Twitter right now though. Where's X? X. I forgot it's called X, bro. There's like so many, bro. This is what I mean. Twitter is like crazy. You see this? Bunch of it's random women following you, bro. It's my boy Oscar. Look at my boy Oscar taking these trades. Beautiful shorts. This is Stoic TAs. Advanced order flow in action. Trading the market maker buy model. This is the thing, I can't do this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I've tried it. It doesn't work out for me. Trading like the lower time frame, 15-second market maker buy models. It just doesn't work out for me, bro. It just does not work out for me. This is so complicated, bro. I mean, this is not. You can read lower time frame order flow like this, but you just don't know if you're gonna get respected, especially with the higher time frame PD areas. Don't know if the market is gonna simply reverse on you right here. Why they popping in there, bro? Yeah, bro, it's bad. Twitter's bad. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they have no restrictions. They just like, bro, it's a bunch of bots. Bunch of weird bots that follow you. Even in the comment section, like I swear, I be on the comment section, the For You. It's bad. I don't try to use Twitter as much. I'm mainly in the Discord and the Telegram and YouTube. I don't really try to be too much on that Twitter stuff. I'll watch it here and there, you know. What was this, 10:45? 10:45 macro. Let's see if it starts moving. It's re-delivering back into here. It's probably gonna start moving there. It's not bad. It's not a bad market maker buy model. He just caught it a little bit late, or I think he scaled in positions. So he sold, bought, he bought more. That's kind of why it's showing like right here. But originally his original entry was down here, or down here maybe. So yeah, it's not bad. There, boom. Zeusy, my boy Zeusy. CZ, bro. I don't use TwitX, just participate in the crypto airdrops. Yeah, that's another thing. Airdrops. They be promoting them a lot here. ES longs today. You can see the ES longs. SMT. High up here. Weekly opening. Again, the weekly profile. Thursday low of week. Usually we don't really have that weekly profile, but majority of the time, sometimes it will form. But it usually happens with Tuesday, Thursday. Daily SMT within Q. Wednesday low of week. I thought it was Thursday, but it's pretty much, I think. No, oh yeah, today is Thursday, so it was Wednesday low of week. I mean, that's what I kind of mean. We don't really have Wednesday low of week usually form. If it does happen, it's not really too common. I swear, I backtested this. Low of week, high of day, low of day, sessions. Previous day high draw on liquidity. Market maker buy model 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So you have sell side swept, you have SMT, you're targeting the previous day high, and then on the 1 hour, you don't really have many 1 hour PD arrays other than this fair value gap right here. And then the 5 minute, you have SMT here, and then you have SMT there, and then you have your buy side imbalance, 9:30 opening right here, and then eventually another 9:30 opening. So again, it does look like a market make a buy model here. Clear. Just catching the continuation. You can't really catch the reversal. It would be a little bit like catching a falling knife, but you did sweep, so that's another thing. And then yeah, just go up higher. See miss pyramid entry on ES forever model. NQ gave the tag on the off the M15 level market make model 1 minute time frame. Members were able to capitalize. So on the 15 right here, 15 for NQ. See there was SMT, created a lower low. This one created a higher low, and then you can see that there. Boom. It's on the 1 minute bullish order block. Fair value gap left unfilled. Changing state of delivery, what the fair value gap created, and then you could have entered there. That's kind of what he's talking about. Yeah, it's not bad. Open, low, high, and close. That's the thing too. Yeah, power 3 is very, very good. Open, high, low, and close, or open, low, high, close. Very, very powerful, bro. I try to use it as much as possible. You play games? Not really, bro. I don't play any more games. I used to play a lot of Fortnite and Valorant. Let's see. 10 a.m. open, high, low, close in Q4R. Guess called the market maker X in the live stream. It's a clear market. I guess they saw the same thing, really. It's the same trade, honestly. It's on the 15. Right there. He's trading the open, high, low, close. Dun, 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 dun. Dodgy. Let's see what Dodgy got. When was this? Today? That was today. It's the inversion fair value gap. 10:15. He held it all the way up there.
I called it A plus ahead of time. Equal highs above. We had a lot of conviction because equal highs, obviously.
Dang.
And it played out literally perfect.
You get the Omega skin? Bro, that's the thing. I used to have my account, but then I lost it. I did have like the season 3, chapter 1, all that, the battle pass stuff. What is this, bro? Tristan Tate, bro. Come on. What are you doing, bro? AMD right there. What else? Joseph, my boy Joseph GBB. Good analysis, but no execution. Sell stops. You can see just market maker model. Same thing with Euro USD, right? Sell side to the curve. What did he trade? Traded a bullish order block or bullish breaker, I think. On the 5 minute. Fair value gap there on the 5 minute. Of course, internal to external. I love the way he trades. Pickle, Sir Pickle, bro. The way he trades is amazing. I love it. Same thing with David, Joker season. Look at this. Look at the way he's trading, bro. This is like, I want to trade this type of way. It's super advanced. You remember the cowgirl glitch in season 6? There was an emo glitch. I don't remember it. This type of way of trading is like super advanced to me. I like the way he trades. He's anticipating the weekly profile down to the intraday bias using the logic of the market profiles and monthly open, high, low, and close, like this tweet, and I'll record a trade breakdown for the public. I'm gonna have to drop a bookmark there. Let's see, bullish starter handling to the monthly close. I don't know what time frame this is. 1 hour. Okay. 5 minute. Calling all this out. Standard deviations clean. Another pair of standard deviations. The way he trades is very, very clean. I like it. Very, very clean, bro. I like the way he scales in positions. You know, like he doesn't have a certain entry. He scales 2 right here and then 10 right there. He cuts like what, a good amount right there and leaves. And then he scales more in right here, even though you have a deep retracement back down to your entry, and he holds it, bro. This guy's a different breed. He's an animal. My boy Stoic. Yeah, I know he went to DTFX. That's the crazy part. Let's get off Twitter. I'm done with Twitter, bro. The Calamity skin, I don't remember, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't too much into the emotes and all that, and the skins. I would just simply try to be grinding the game. That's the main thing I was doing. But I remember there would be like glitches, like in the maps too. There'll be map glitches, bugs, and all that you can exploit. But I just never really paid attention too much to the skins. What was it like? There was a glitch about the dance or what? It was like a bad dance. Alright, let's go to Python. Python. This one also has weekly CRT. This is the thing. That's the thing I want to get better at with open, high, low, and close, and then probably market maker models like on the lower time frame, just like trying to find them a lot more. Right here. I'm gonna just put this one right here. Since we already met this lower here. Now we have another target right here. This prominent low formed. Boom, boom, boom. So this is the thing, I got really go with my bias, but then lower time frame wise, I just can't take lower time frame trades anymore. It's weird. Like I just been so focused on the higher time frame, bro. It was a bug, a little buggy dance or what? It was inappropriate. All right. So we did sweep this low too. You can see that when we close above. That's another thing why we formed CRT. I'm gonna take it off though. Try to keep the chart clean as possible. Daily time frame we did form this, but again we're just close to closing below, and I think we already met the target of standard deviations. No, we have not. We have not. So that's kind of weird. That should show the weakness on this market. So next, take off this right here. New high up here. Dun, dun. New low right here. Wait to see what market this is. Jupiter. Jupiter. Ooh. I love Jupiter. So we closed below. We did. Jupiter is one of those markets where I was trading a couple weeks ago, and then I just stopped because again I was just focusing on our system. I was backtesting my system way too much. I really stopped trading everything, crypto, the forex prop firms. I can't wait to be done with this backtesting session, and of course reviewing all the trades we have taken. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna be grinding, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be grinding. You know, majority of these markets trading. Yo, I'm gonna head out. Make daily uploads, bro. I cannot. I told you I'm not gonna upload until I have a profitable system. So the passive prop firm will get what a payout, and probably even then I probably won't be satisfied. You know, I feel like I just wouldn't have enough. Probably until like we reach like a good amount of funding, then I'll probably start making videos again. And probably will upload because I'm documenting all this. I probably will upload it on another channel because I'm not gonna lie, the views aren't the best on documentations. So I'll probably just upload it on a different channel, and then just like make challenge videos on this channel. Make like challenge videos, and that's really it. All right, peace, bro. Take it easy. Go enjoy yourself. All right. So again, market maker model, sell model here. Looks like we do want to retrace. Again, I'm just gonna be watching to see if we do respect the bearish balance price range to move lower, to target this low, and if not, then these lows, all this low resistance here, kind of low resistance, mixed with high, and that's really it. And then if we want to reach the weekly objective, then of course doing that. But I just can't really see BTC. May God bless you. May God bless you too, brother. But yeah, I just really can't see it happening with BTC, how it's moving. Not USD2. This is one of those where I was just like, man, this looks really nice. I was trading it for a while, but I just stopped trading it for. Again, I keep saying the same thing. Stop trading it because I had to backtest my system. Again, I'll be for the whole month of August, bro. I swear, I just backtesting. I can never catch a break. Backtesting. I will show you guys that right now. I promise you. Version 2 right here. I'm currently on a Model 6. I need to redo this one. This was a redo. I just got tilted. I scrapped it. I was taking, bro. My bias said everything was correct. Just lower time from entries. This is version 1 system. Version 2 right here with CRT time frame aligning, finding all the best trades. And again, some systems were not profitable. These weren't profitable at all towards the end. Towards the beginning they were, but I just stopped. And then so right now I'm just currently using these right here. I may backtest those because in the beginning, you know, system like Model 3 wasn't really profitable. It was only like 3% profitable for version 1, and then version 2 just got really well. But towards the end, it wasn't hot. I was taking losses. Then we went down to the 55, 1 to 2.5. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna review those trades later on. Let me close that tab real quick. Let's go here. Let's focus on this. Not be too focused on that. That's, you know, work for me to do. After we're done with that, you know, I feel like we're just gonna be rejuvenated. Trading's gonna be a lot better, a lot easier, a lot more confident in my trading. We don't have any fair value gaps here on not USDT right here. Very, very unfortunate. We do have a break of market structure there, indicating bearish prices, but we just don't have anything on the daily. On the 4 hour, we have a humongous fair value gap, and this is old charting right here. I want to see if we go to the 1 hour. We have anything on the 1 hour. We do have the 1 hour. Okay, let's take that off. I need to clean my charts, honestly. I should have done that for all the markets. Dang it. Yeah, I just don't have daily anything on the daily. I don't want to trade it. Don't want to be focusing on this one. Jasmine, USDT, bearish order block holding, weekly SIBI holding. We have a weekly external objective right here, which I'm going to mark out. And the same thing for the high up there. I'm going to mark that out. And then that'll be pretty much really it for the weekly here. We don't really see too many different things happening here. We did sweep. So if, of course, if we go up higher, the breaker is going to form. Again, same thing for this. Majority of the markets look like this, I promise you. 9 times out of 10, they're all going to look the same. That's why it's important just to simply trade the ones that are moving with speed. And just trade the main ones, you know, BTC, ETH, and SOL for right now. Alright, so we don't really have any, again, we don't have any fair value gaps. I'm just going to use the inversion ones right here. And we did, again, sweep these lows. So that can be something to be paying attention for on the daily. We swept those lows. We do have the weekly right there. Weekly. Just put it right here like that. Then we have our daily relative equal lows down here, which we can reach for, of course. If we are still bearish, we want to maintain bearish formation. We have our external 4 hour sell side. Buy side right here. Just watching that, of course. Paying attention to that is very, very important. You don't want to be neglecting the 4 hour. You know, when you even pay attention to the 4 hour, the 1 hour, even down to like the 15. I'm not going to lie. Entries right now, I want to focus more on just like 15-minute entries on crypto. More of a swing trading. I'm not going to lie. The 1 minute just isn't the best, especially on altcoins, especially low cap altcoins or stable coins. I think 15-minute is going to be the best entry for me. So I'm going to have to really just start using that with higher time frame confluences, of course. Because again, I've traded the 1 minute and it just doesn't move to my favor. I'm trying the stop loss way too quickly. I get stopped at break even and then it moves. So I need to use the 15 or higher. So I'm going to start using that 15, maybe the 5 minute. I don't know, but I think I will stick to the 15. I think the 15 minute may be the best. So yeah, I'll probably just use that. That's kind of really it. So I think this market's done for whiffy whiff. Again, weekly objectives right here. If you want to reach it, you can reach it. I wouldn't be against that, honestly. ICT don't really work well on crypto. ICT, in my opinion, I think crypto, it works well. It just really has to, you can't really simply depend on it. You have to use other confluences. Not just strictly, you know, what he's talking about. But either way, I think it works on every single market. You just really have to find, I backtested crypto. I found the profitability. Don't know which. Let's go check. Let's go find it real quick. I didn't mean to pull that one up. It was in V1. I think it was Model 6. No, it was not. It was Model what? Model 5 maybe? Yeah, BTC. So it was barely profitable. I won't even lie to you. Barely even profitable. It was only up 1%. 40% win rate. That's not the best, honestly. But I think I did do ETH. I'm not gonna lie. And, I don't think I did ETH. So I'm probably have to back test it again. I won't even lie to you. So yeah. Don't have enough data. Plus that was version 1. I'm on version 2 of the system. Of which I'm back testing right now, and it could be a lot different. You know, the results can be a lot different. So I have to that's another thing I have to do, back test crypto. So I got all the way till next week, till September 4th to back test, bro. So the subscription runs out to collect all this data. See if it works or not. See what the win rate versus reward is. to do that too. It's not even in the. Cause right now I'm just focusing on prop firms too much. I forgot even to backtest crypto. So yeah, just everything looks normal here. Pretty normal. Go to the 1 hour and see if the 1 hour has. Okay, we don't have anything there. So again, I'm just gonna wait for this daily confluence, either to get inverse or to get respected, to then form a 1 hour or a 4 hour confluence showing bearish indication, some form of inversion maybe. You know, continuation or break of market structure off of a fair value gap low, retracing, forming another fair value gap there, retracing, probably entering there, and then watching the market move lower if it does want to move lower. Doge. I'm in the meme coin section now. Weekly SEBI holding. Gotta mark this out. Weekly of sell side. Let's go mark it out. Put this right there. Do we have weekly? No, we don't have. Wait, I think we do have weekly CRT. I'm gonna mark that out right now. We have yet to even reach the 50%. That's the thing. Daily. Small one right here. I'm just gonna mark out the second one right here. This one, the middle one. It's near equilibrium of the range right there on the daily. So I think it should probably reach that one. Not really hold this one. If it does, then that's extremely bearish. So if it does show that, then it shows bearishness all the way. Again, I'm charting. I'm not really trading these guys. I'm charting. Probably gonna be trading back when I'm done back testing, which is probably the end of this week, maybe like Saturday or Sunday, maybe next week too, Monday, going into next week. I don't know yet. You need to take a break, bro. Trust it helps. I just use free FX replay. No point in paying for me. You just use the I've seen people use it like they just use random emails. They actually put their card in though, and then just use the 5-day free trial. I just paid for it once. Back tested all this month. Over like 100 trades, bro. Just trying to refine my system as much as possible. I probably will take a break though. I'm not lying. You are right. Taking a break there. Probably will, after I'm done reviewing my backtesting trades, I will take like a 2-day, 3-day break of like no charts, no nothing. But I'm on monk mode, so I can't even do that. So I have to continue working either way. Even though I wish I would. Probably after the monk mode's done, I'll probably take like a good 3 weeks off. That's like in November though. So I'm on day 22. Still got a long way to go for 90 days. I'm like 1/4, not even 1/3 though. I'm close though, close. And then I'll probably backtest the fourth quarter. We're in the third quarter. I'll probably backtest the fourth quarter. So after I'm done backtesting this, I'm done backtesting I get tilted. I won't lie. I get tilted sometimes when I'm backtesting, and that just goes to show I'm just so tired of it. So tired of backtesting. Backtest over like a couple hundred trades this whole month. I was backtesting 20 trades per model and have 7 for the first system, and then 30 right now for 5 models from model 3 to 7. So yeah, it's really, really bad. I won't lie. You get tilted? Yes, bro. I get tilted when I'm backtesting, especially when I'm losing streak. I get like super tilted, bro. And then at that point, I just walk away. But before that, I wasn't walking away, and I'll just continue the rampage, continue the losing streak, and it just wouldn't give me the actual results that I want. That's why after like 2 losses in a row, I just walk away, take like a little break, and then I come back. It's really, really horrible. Yeah, again, just waiting for the daily 4 hour here. Again, I had all this. We're trading the consolidation, which isn't the best. Again, I'm probably going to be swing trading crypto. I won't lie. I'm probably not going to be actually trading it. From like a standpoint where I'm actually holding these trades. I'm going to be swing trading it for sure. I don't want to be scalping this. I don't like scalping crypto. I won't lie to you. I'm going to leave the break in market structure. Yeah. And the weekly doesn't look bad. I think we already met the 50% though. CRT weekly under here. CTA, we already met it. We have our weekly objectives right here. I need to change that CRT low color. I'm probably going to do that this weekend. Try to see it like black, because then it confuses me. My strat profitable, but I just need to get my win rate up because I don't like it right now. That's how I was. I won't lie. My win rate wasn't the best. It was like 40, sometimes 30%, but I was hitting like 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, and I just didn't like it, bro. I just didn't like it. So I started to reduce the risk to rewards, like 1 to 2 minimum, and I'll just be aiming for that only. Even if like my confluences were telling me the high, target the high up there, and it was like 1 to 5. Sometimes I would, especially on Model 3. The first time I was backtesting, I was targeting the highs up there, but I just stopped recently, and I was aiming for 1 to 2, and it's just been working out really well. Scalping crypto is because all the Wall Street kids pumping it for no reason. I don't know. I just like swing trading. Me personally, that's just kind of what I like. This is Brett right here. I forgot what I was even looking at. It was Brett. I don't know why I had such a big wick right there. So yeah, I don't know why I had such a big wick right here. What is 30%? It's crazy. If I was to trade meme coins, bro, I'm gonna have to hold the trades for meme coins, especially on like the futures contracts. I'm gonna hold these things for a while, probably to like the all-time highs. Try to hit a big bread. Probably scale my positions, scale positions. Of course, when we start certain targets, beat sidelines. I'm gonna leave the runners to run. I'm not holding the whole thing. Again, everything just looks the same. I'm just done looking at these. They all look the same, really. What's Pepe? They all look the same, bro. Just like it's an off-brand BTC. That's how they all move. Off-brand BTCs. They're weaker than BTC, and that's all. Right now, the cycle is just BTC, bro. Wait for Bitcoin to stop moving. Then you go and find the altcoin, stablecoin you want to trade. Again, I was back, bro. I was charting. This goes to show I have not charted in a while. I was looking at this right here, bro. Come on. I have not looked at this week's data. That's kind of why I'm doing this stream, because I know I wasn't not gonna chart if I wasn't streaming or something. We're doing something, you know. So I had to do something. Then I'll probably go back to backtesting. So I want to just get my mind off backtesting for a little bit. Let's go clean the 4 hour. I know the 4 hour is dirty. What'd I tell you? 1 hour is dirty too, I bet. What'd I tell you? Dirty, 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 dirty charts. So yeah, I'm just keeping it clean. I'm gonna wait for these daily confluences. Then I'll probably come back during the month of September. Start viewing crypto. Start charting it, because I haven't really been charting it this whole month. Towards the beginning of the month, I was showing you guys right here what I was watching. But as of right now, I just really haven't been. Yeah, no, I can't like go for low. Let's go. Yeah, no, I can't go for like a low win rate. It just doesn't work with my mind, you know? Yeah. That's the thing about win rate. If you have a 50% win rate, I think that's good. If you have a 50% 1 to 2, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be profitable. You're going to be winning 50% of your trades. So you can, 50% of your trades, 10 trades, you're winning 5, you're losing 5. 1 to 2, you're up 5%. That's not bad at all. If you're risking 1%, if you're risking 2%, that's 10% you're up. That's not bad at all, you know. You just really have to deal with the losses a lot more better. You have to just review them and try to not make them happen again. But they're just part of the game, you know. And if you want to get it to like a 60%, if you have a 60%, that's even better, or 70%. And that's why it's important to like really backtest and see which markets you have the highest win rate, and just try to like get better from there. That's the main thing. So again, the same thing. We're all moving the same. MOG USDT. I'm gonna wait for something to get above here. So yeah, wait for something to get above there on the monthly. Either sweep the low or it's on the weekly. Whoa, what does a monthly look like then? Yeah, I don't like this one at all. Don't like it. I need this actually right here. Dun. I changed the music from like regular hip hop to lo-fi. I just wasn't able to concentrate. I won't lie to you. I was about to start singing, so I was like, alright, I had to do this. I see your eyes zipping everywhere. How many monitors you got, bro? I got 3. I got one right here, one right here, one right there, right there. So yeah. And this one over here is just like regular SMT chart. This one right here, regular SMT chart. Let's pull it up. So yeah. And then this one's from my OBS right here, from OBS. And then of course like my Spotify, my files whenever I'm downloading stuff or whenever I'm charting, and then for my Discord also, right here. So yeah. And then this one too, I keep it more on the higher time frame. I just keep it on the weekly and the daily whenever I'm like lower time from trading on this one. I usually have 2 charts for this one too. You know, I have one closed out right now, but I usually have like the, it could be a 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, 1 minute. You know, it doesn't matter. Usually just trying to keep it clean. Let's close my Discord out real quick over here. Open my OBS. We stuck with one for now. That's the crazy thing. Did you make a new Discord or something? I ain't in it. Nah, it's the same one. That's the crazy thing. I want a laptop, bro. I want like another pair of screens. I'm crazy right now, man. That's kind of what I'm aiming for. If I get a payout, buying a laptop. Because sometimes you do get tired of working on the desk, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's very draining. I want to go somewhere else, like outside maybe or something. Or just like work somewhere like at a cafe or something, bro. Like just do something, bro. I'm tired of being here. I'm tired of being here locked up in the dungeon, bro. For real, for real. For real, for real. It's on the daily. Oh, this is Bitcoin again. We made our way all the way back up. Let's go to AVAX. Let's go to the stable coins. I've yet to review these. I skipped all the way to near because one of the viewers was asking for it, so we had to. Oh. Whoa, pause. We made an inversion already? AVAX made an inverse. Hold on. This does not look bad. This does not look bad. Let's mark out the low. Hold on. Let's keep it clean. Let's keep it objective. Let's be smart. You know what I'm saying? We got to be smart, guys. Come on. All right. Hold on. This is showing bullish signature. We bounce off the monthly fair value gap. We're having monthly CRT, of course. Let's take this off real quick. And leave it on the monthly there, because when we close on the monthly, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna watch it, and see what happens. And if it's valuable, might add it to the weekly. Hold on. So we only have one fair value gap too. This is the crazy part. Make this inverse. Maybe looking for longs. I won't lie to you. Swing trading longs here. If we make an inverse. I might not even swing. I may just like. That's the thing. I may swing trade this like on the 1 hour or something. Hold it all the way to the daily objective up here, and that's not bad at all. If you think, you know, retrace back in, you made this inverse, retrace something like this. 9%, bro. That's not bad at all. Maybe leaving some runners. Let's see what he's saying. ICL. I'm like good on FX replay, but that's cause I'm used to it. So on MetaTrader I can't, but I'm still just learning it again. So you're good on FX replay. That's cause you're used to it. So on MetaTrader you can't, but you'll learn it again. So you're not good using the software, or what? That's what you're trying to say? FX replay, you go with that one? Alright, so hold on. This does not look bad at all, guys. I won't lie to you. Just clean up the 4 hour. 4 hours not dirty here. 1 hour's not dirty here somewhere. Okay, yeah, no, it's not dirty. Hold on, I'm just gonna be watching this. I'm gonna set an alert. So that's the thing. Set an alert. See if we ever close above here. If we reach up here, we close above. I'm gonna be watching for sure. That's really it. I feel like I should move my chat. That's the thing. Where should I move to? Should I move it down here? Should I move it right here? I'm gonna just leave it up there. Who cares? Give me 6 months though, easily. Yeah, usually 6 months, bro, is really good. Right now, I'm on the three month monk mode. I'm not gonna lie, I've seen so much progression, bro. I've seen so much progression. Like the first 15 days, I've seen so much progression in my trading. That's like I haven't even taken a trade yet. I have taken trades, but I haven't really been fully focused like on charting, preparing like the day before and all that, and like the morning too. I've just been like half-assing it, and then like when it comes to like actually trading, we do good while not even putting in like half the work. So whenever we finish backtesting, like reviewing all that stuff, we're like fully locked in about trading only. We're done backtesting, done reviewing all that. We're just fully focused on what's happening right now in the market. Boom, it's game over. For like, I'm gonna give myself, I'm trying to finish it like before day 30, reviewing everything, having everything ready. Maybe day 25 if I'm actually fast enough. Maybe not though, who knows. For my monk mode, and then just grinding from day 30 all the way to day 90, trying to, you know, be profitable. What is this, XRP? XRP. XRP. And this is one I low-key would want to scalp. Just like to grow the account, the crypto account. It's like a couple M's. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. It's just a joke. This is the thing. We did have this CRT forms. Now we reach 50%. We reach 50%. You see, we're just chilling around there. That's the thing. Whenever you close this next candle, you open up. You want to aim for higher prices, reach the 50%, and that's what happened. I was a little too late to the party, though. Which is totally normal. Totally fine with me. Because I know once I'm done backtesting, I'm not gonna be late no more. That's the thing too. You gotta understand, guys. Market repeats. The moves happen all the time. If you don't catch this part of the move, just catch the next one. Don't worry. Dun, 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 dun. We have a bearish order block. I'm just mark that out. I don't really have any fair value gaps on this price leg, so I'm just mark the order block on the daily too. Again, I'm not trying to go below the daily, but I will probably go to the 4-hour, but just mainly the daily. I'm just trying to keep it clean. Again, I'm not really trading it, so just trying to chart it, see what's going on for like next couple of weeks, days. The edge has been off because of summer break, but I'm gonna get back into it. Yeah, facts, bro. That's how it is. Get back on that grind, my boy. I'm gonna take this one off for sure. I'm gonna mark this out real quick. Oh, this is Beam. I like Beam actually. I like the way it moves. I kind of gotta appreciate it real quick. Yeah. All right, let's go. Looks really nice. I think I already did chart this one. One was on my watch list. It's not bad. It doesn't move bad at all. I actually like the way it moves. I think this is one of the markets I do like favoring the most when it moves like this compared to like this. When it moves like this, I'm gonna just take it off the watch list. Or like this right here. It's like trash, bro. All this right here. This right there was trash. I don't like when it moves like that. I like when it moves like this. Super clean, super nice. You know, just like it's in the flow. I like that. Because I started markets, bro, they did not move clean at all. And they move like trash. And that's when I usually take them off the watch list. Sometimes they, you know, they redeem themselves. Sometimes whenever they enter the crypto bubble, top 100. All right, redemption. You're moving the most. Redemption maybe. But I want to catch it before it moves. That's the thing. That's the thing. You want to catch it before it moves like 100%. Ton. Okay, Ton. Yeah, the Telegram guy, he got arrested. I don't know if you guys know, but he did. So Ton has been moving a lot less to the upside, of course, because of that news event. My boy got arrested for, I'm not going to say what for, of course, because he wasn't the one that was actually doing it, you know. He was just the owner of the app. He was letting the people have the free speech and, you know, all that other stuff without anybody spying on them. But you know, it is what it is. You know, it happens what happens. You know, can't really do anything about it. I'm not no Elon Musk. I'm not no super genius where I can fix something like that. Just gotta watch the technical analysis here. You know, that's kind of the thing too. Like, you don't really know what's gonna happen. I was really bullish on Ton until that news came out. That's when I was like, all right, damn. You know, like, this is around here, boom, started dropping. And that's the thing, you know, you had a buy side imbalance on the, you know, on the daily. Did get inverse, started retracing, then we went down lower. But how do you know we're going to be, you know, bearish? You know, you have a order block here that's holding nicely, respecting it, you know. Even though the fair value gap didn't, you know, hold, you could have formed another order block or portion block and went up higher, but that's the thing. You just don't know. But yeah, we made an inversion. We do have another fair value gap there. I am going to watch to see this right here. And then I'm going to move this right here to right here. I know it is kind of a little bit close. But, yeah, that is kind of close. I'm going to just leave it up here. Because, again, this is the price lag until we form a new one. Until we break below either this high or this low. We probably will form a new price lag. And this will be your new high and then the new low we created. So, just waiting, honestly. Keeping it simple. Keep it simple market structure. I feel like we have already went through all of them. So, let's go back to BTC. I think we already did BTC, did we? So yeah, BTC, I think we already did it. Again, CRT there formed. We are hitting the 50%. Bullish order block, standard deviations. We look like we're going to reach up higher. So if we disrespect the 50%, it should be very, very soon. Probably tomorrow, if not today. And if we respect it, then of course not holding this order block nor the standard deviations, then we're going to come back down, reach the CRT low, and probably move lower. So yeah. ETH, I think we already went over ETH. Solana, I think we did go over Solana. So we did weekly CRT app. I already went over this. Daily right here. Breaking market structure. I don't know why I'm just take it off, honestly. It doesn't. Again, I want to see the right side of the chart, not the left. 1 hour. We don't really have much on the 1 hour, so yeah, we're just gonna leave it the way it is. We thug it out though. Make a better model. I'll make a better model. Had like a 60% win rate. Let's see. I remember right before. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, no. I remember right before summer break, I got like a Shizito model beamed into my head, and I lost all the papers that I had on it. I had like a 60 to 70% win rate, if I remember. We thug it out though. I'll make a better model. That's the thing. You have to, bro. You have to adapt. That's the thing too about backtesting, bro. Like, you don't have the live data that you have. Like, you don't have the same amount of time you are like analyzing real markets. And sometimes when I'm backtesting, I don't have SMT playing a factor in. You know, I'm not able to chart the night before, really prepare for what the market is giving me. So I just really don't like. Again, I like having the data backing me up, but I just don't like fully like trusting the data, you know, because it isn't like the real life market. Again, you're not really, you don't know if you're going to be able to hold a trade this long, or you don't know if you're going to be, if you would have entered there, or sometimes you just enter trades without even caring, you know, you just don't really care, you know. Yeah, just like sometimes versus like real market experience, you're like reviewing the market a lot more, you're analyzing it a lot more, you're building up the conviction to actually take the trade, even though it does follow your model. When you're backtesting your model, you don't have the same amount of time, duration you're putting into like reviewing the trades. You're not really analyzing every market, seeing which one would be the best to trade. And so yeah, it just really doesn't, sometimes it doesn't like add up to the amount of data you actually want it to have. So that's why it's very important to just chill. Just like not really, again, it gives you a good estimate of where you're at and the results you have. And that's why it's important too to review it, you know, review the data, collect data, screenshot the trades. That's what I did. I screenshotted over like 100 trades, bro. I reviewed at least over 100 for the first system. Now the second system, I need to review them, which will take me a while. So that's kind of why I probably will. This whole week is going to take me just reviewing and finishing the backtesting sessions. So yeah, just not really rushing it. Taking my time too, honestly. I'm going to take notes also after to see what I can do better. BNB, we're bullish, bro. Straight bullish. Even though this one is retracing. Dang, I got allergies, bro. Oh my goodness. Then I got this one right here. Dun dun. So yeah, this does not look bad. It looks like the market maker saw model was already completed once we reach into this fair value gap. Doesn't look like it wants to go up higher. That's the thing. I want to see us respect the weekly fair value gap, since we made it inverse. So BNB and AVAX are the only ones that have made this fair value gap inverse. And I'm gonna be marking out right here this alert, just in case over for like the next couple of days we do start to move higher, because I'm not gonna be paying attention too much to it, and then we make this inverse. Then I'm probably gonna be reaching for higher prices, and this could look like you're breaking market structure. I'm gonna take off the fair value up there also too. The one below. So I'm not gonna pay attention too much to it. If we want to move lower, take out this low, then move higher, then that's what's gonna happen. You know, you can't really stop that. The fair value gap isn't gonna hold sometimes. You just have to accept it. That's a thing too, you know. It all depends on how this weekly candle closes. But yeah, no, I do see us reaching up the high. I don't know if we already met the high. 596.44, 596.50. So yeah, we have still yet to target this high. We have not taken out this high. And then yeah, same thing for this one. We reached it, and then now we're moving back down lower. You know, the 50% of the CRT there was met. We have the bearish balanced price range here. We have our external objective right here. And you go back up to the weekly, mark out the weekly one. Boom, boom, boom. Again, just paying attention, bro. I need to be actually paying attention to this. And I realized I wasn't actually paying attention to it until now, or until like earlier. I realized I just need a chart. I have not been charting this high up here. I'm just leave it. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think I have 4 hour confluence here now. Again, it was all just consolidation, bro. And I was trying to trade all of this consolidation. You see, the month of August was just consolidating, bro. Just then we're gonna consolidate maybe again. So That's why I want to wait for the weekly. I mean the daily or the weekly confluences to actually start trading. And then we'll probably start moving. Till then, probably just being sidelines, bro. And I already knew the market wasn't gonna move, bro. Especially with how it was moving before. That's why I started backtesting. I knew this month would be the best backtesting month, especially with how it moves and like how, just every season, bro. Every time, every year. I mean, like e-commerce is dry there in August. Agencies dry there in August. Everything's dry there in August. I won't even lie to you. It just happens. It just happens to be that month where everything is dry. Okay, hold on. Wait, we have weekly CRT maybe? We don't, so taking that off. Taking this breaking market structure off. ETH BTC weak. It's like a weak lane right now. Putting this over here. Putting it closer, bro. Why do you have it all the way up there for? We don't have any weekly confluences either. That's the thing. We don't. We only have this weekly Sibi and that's it. That's really it, honestly. This high is like your target. It's like a market maker buy model, but you don't know when it's gonna reverse. That's the thing about that. Yeah, we don't have anything there. Solana. I think we're still a little bit more bullish on Sol. It's retracing, of course, which is totally normal. That's kind of why Ethereum is just so weak right now. ETH BTC is dropping. Sol ETH is going up. Ethereum is like the weakest one out of all of them, bro. It just like sucks to see that, but it is what it is. You can't really do anything about it. You just gotta really adapt and just wait for when it starts to reverse. When all these start to move lower, this one starts to move lower, ETH BTC starts to move up higher, then you're like, all right, it's time for ETH to shine. Ethereum's gonna shine. He's gonna get his own little move where like the other ones can't replicate. You just gotta be prepared. See if this low gets swept and then we start reversing. It's because it's a prominent low instead of the fair value up. You sweep that, then you start moving. So I think I went over everything. I think that's pretty much it. Crypto charting is pretty much done. I think that's really it, guys. I'm gonna go back test now. Probably will end the stream here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. You know, hopefully it was a good stream. Hopefully it was a great stream, guys. Great stream. Let's see the news events. We don't have many news events tomorrow. Only 8:30. So if you want to trade that, you can. And let's go to the DEX screener. Stay safe and keep sane, bro. I'll try when I'm back testing. I may go a little insane. Look at this. Wolf, what is going on, bro? What is going? Let's go to Schmo. Where is Schmo? Let's see what he's doing. Look, my boy was calling Wolf. He was trying to call Wolf. Oh my god, bro. I feel bad for him. He's probably going through it. 18. He's been trying to bottom is most likely. August 20th. Bro, I feel bad, honestly, bro. God damn, I feel bad for him. 18 mil. It's like at 30 or 20. It's like, then it's reached like 40, I think. 40 at one point. Look at that. Wolf double bottom begins. Push up. I was invested in Wolf when it was like at right around here. Right around here, I started getting out. I invested a little earlier, like right here. And it started just going down, chopping, going back up, and I just exited. So I was like exiting near break even, just a little bit of a loss. And I was like, God damn it, I gotta get out of this trade. Just horrible. It was horrible, I won't lie. But yeah, probably won't ever trade meme coins again. If I'm being real. Probably not right now, probably later on in life. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. If y'all want to join the Discord, I will probably be giving my analysis very, very soon. Probably for AVAX. I will go over AVAX in there a little bit more deeply. And then probably for the other one, BNB, of course. Giving over like the confluences, why I would start looking for swing trades, longs. And then for the FX, I don't really see anything right now on FX. Everything is retracing. I want to see a weekly buy sign and balance form on EU and GU. So give you guys a little breakdown on what I'm watching here. So buy sign and balance is here. Maybe retrace this one up here, the weekly one right there, and this one forming one right now also. And then this one we are bouncing. We did kind of watch the mean threshold hold and push up. GJ, one of them I was watching, see the 50% respect and then push, which has never really happened, so I'm not really trading it. USD JPY, again, seeing it move lower also, but again, I just don't know when it's gonna happen. This one move up higher, these move up lower maybe. I want to see this one form for us for Sibi, or retrace back into this one, then start to move again lower. So I really don't care what's happening on the daily. The weekly is more important. Next week we'll probably form that, probably NFP. This one again, we were watching bullish CRT form since we were retracing back into the buy side imbalance, reaching up higher prices, and it just clearly lived up to that expectation. We didn't really reach into the 15%, 15-minute BPR, but that's kind of why we didn't trade it. 4 hour respected, honestly. Just watching see this retrace. It just never really happened though, so we weren't able to take anything. I'm kind of glad though too. So, and then this one again, we're reaching up higher. Buy side imbalance on the daily respected, weekly also respected. Thursday low of week, you can see that pretty much. Same thing with this one. Thursday low of week, not really a good weekly profile. I need to go back down to lower time frame. This one never really traced into it, so we have SMT there. See SMT at the lows on the weekly. And then yeah, that's pretty much really it. Better reach the daily target. We didn't have any CRT, so that's kind of unfortunate. But this one kind of should have swept the low, move up higher, and that's really it, guys. I'm in the stream here. I'm gonna continue to review, probably give you guys my analysis. Be on the charts 24/7 right now. I'm gonna go back test. So I'm gonna get that ready, loaded up. So I'm gonna have it ready, loaded up right now. I'm gonna end the stream right now. I usually have 2 right now, cause I like reviewing. Where's V2 Model 6? There, I'm gonna review that one. So yeah, that's pretty much really it, guys. End the stream here. I did do a backtesting stream. I did show you guys what I was backtesting. How I was backtesting too. I forgot what market I was on. I think I was on UJ. Yeah. No. I'm gonna take a break right now though. I'm just have it loaded up ready. I was on the daily, it's on the 4 hour here. I'm gonna do a top down though real quick before I even start back to that. I usually like doing this. I kind of think that's the reason why I was losing on the other one too. I was simply sticking to those time frames where I should have been like just scaling up, looking at the other time frames too, but I wasn't doing that, so that's kind of why. So I'm just gonna end this here. I'm gonna review, backtest, do all that, and yeah, peace. Join the